You've been told it might be time for surgery, but what are you supposed to do next? Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Hoven from Ramos Law and your host of Health Matters. Today we're going to talk about when to know it's time to consider surgery. Stay tuned, we're talking about it right now. There's an old saying about surgery that goes like this. There's only a minor surgery if it's not on you. And so we don't take surgery lightly. But in any condition, there can be a time where the body's not responding and surgery is needed. So what are some of the things that you should look for to see if that time is for you or someone that you know? Number one, if you have been trying a whole bunch of other regular healthcare items, whether it be chiropractic and physical therapy and medicine, all of these things all for the same condition and they are not working, you need to have a surgical consult. Now, in that surgical consult, here's the other thing. If you're going to have surgery of any type, you need to have at least one opinion, but preferably two opinions of someone other than the doctor that's going to recommend the surgery. And you should ask them, what are the worst case scenarios that could happen if the surgery doesn't go well? Obviously, under any surgery, if you have a bad reaction to a anesthesia or something, you could die. And so you'll be signing all kinds of paperwork that talk about that. But there are potential worst case scenarios for each surgery on that body part or region that you're getting surgery on. So you want to know that so that you can weigh those risks. But if all this other treatment hasn't worked, that's a time to consider surgery. Also to consider surgery is if you're noticing that you're losing function, you're losing ground, and it's affecting everything that you do every day, and you're still not getting better from treatment, that's another time to consider surgery. And those two are kind of the same, but one is focusing on your pain and what you're feeling, the other is focusing on your function. So getting surgery is just because it's the next thing in line, I'm not a proponent of. I'm a proponent of making sure that you're getting that done after exhausting other things, unless of course there's a trauma where you break a bone, you're in a horrible accident and you have to have surgery either A, to survive, or B, to repair something that's been damaged. We're talking about more ongoing health conditions here that could result in the need for surgery later. So if you can talk to your providers, find out exactly what's going on, why you're not responding from the care you're getting, and what the ramifications are, both good and bad, of you getting the surgery, that'll be your best guide to know, is it time for surgery? Now, of course, if you have any questions about this, you can email me, jim@ramoslaw.com. And if this has been helpful for you, or you want someone who's about to go to surgery or thinks they might need surgery to see this information, please send it. You can get to our channels, listen to our podcast. We talk about this stuff all the time. So just let us know. We're here to help. And remember, from our concern to yours, your health matters.